All right, guys, it's Toolkit Thursday. Grab your math toolkits and flip to page 6, table of contents. Please add a new entry for today's date, 10/15. The title of today's notes is Features of Histograms, and it will be on page 19. Pause here if you need to. When you're ready, we're flipping to page 19, titling our page Features of Histograms, making sure we're on page 19, and add today's date, 10/15/20. Awesome. Please set up your Cornell notes by folding it hot dog. Go a little bit over halfway, fold me hot dog style, come back, and then draw your up and down line down the page. Awesome. We're starting with just defining histogram. The definition of histogram, remember your vocab word goes on the left and your definition goes on the right, is it's a representation of data that groups numbers into ranges. Miss Engelbert likes to say the word bins. So put bins in parentheses and then your period. Once you're done with the definition of histogram, we're moving down, leave one space. The left side will say words to describe the distribution of histograms. We have 3 major words that we use to describe the distribution of histograms. Remember, distribution is defined as showing how often data values occur. The 3 words used to describe histograms are 1, you can number however you like, center, which we've been practicing. 2, spread, which we've also been practicing. And then what we practiced today during class, 3, is shape. Pause here if you need to. Now move down, add another space in between your entries. Our next entry is words to describe the shape of histograms. If you'd like, go ahead and draw an arrow from the word shape from words to describe the distribution. We're going to dive into number 3, shape. Words to describe the shape of histograms. Go ahead and draw a fun little arrow. Cool, let's do it. Words to describe the shape of histograms. I'm just going to use bullets this time. The first word we use to describe the shape of histograms is symmetry, S-Y-M-M-E-T-R-Y. A histogram can be symmetrical or asymmetrical. The other word we use to describe the shape of histograms is peak. Right? A histogram can have a peak or more than one peak. The next word we use to describe the shape of histograms is gaps. This is when we have no data values in that bin or range. And then third is when we talk about data being far from the center. Make sure your features of histogram notes are updated with these 3 entries and you are done with Toolkit Thursday.